If you are looking for a healthy low-carb recipe that's quick, delicious and keto-friendly, then you need to try the zucchini pancakes that are perfect for guilt-free indulgence. Made with simple ingredients, the zucchini pancakes are low-carb, gluten-free and perfect for breakfast, brunch or even a light snack. Also, I'll be sharing a healthy yogurt dip that pairs beautifully with these savory zucchini pancakes. So let's get started and make this quick, easy, delicious zucchini pancakes right at home. And here I have grated one large zucchini using the thick side of the grater. And I have let them rest for 10-15 minutes after adding a teaspoon of salt. And now we need to squeeze out the excess water from the zucchini bit by bit and transfer them into a separate bowl. And the leftover zucchini water you can use while making soups, dal or curries. Then these are roasted flax seeds that are a nutritional powerhouse packed with omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fiber and nutrients. And now we need to grind this into a coarse powder like this. So for my keto-friendly zucchini pancakes, I'll be using flaxseed flour that's gluten-free also. And now let's make the zucchini pancake batter. Here goes 2 eggs. Now goes the flaxseed flour. We'll be adding now 3 tablespoons of it, and if required we can add some later depending on the consistency of the batter. For seasoning we'll add some salt and black pepper as per taste. Then goes around 1/4 teaspoon of garlic and mixed herbs. Now let's mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. And friends, if you are following a keto or low carb diet, then this easy zucchini pancake recipe is a great way to enjoy a nutritious and satisfying meal. Well, our zucchini pancake batter is ready and this should be the consistency, which is slightly thick. We'll keep this aside for a moment and now let's prepare a healthy yogurt dip. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. For seasoning we'll add some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon of garlic and mixed herbs, and some finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Now let's mix this well until all the ingredients are combined well. And our creamy and herby healthy yogurt dip is ready, which pairs beautifully with the zucchini pancakes. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that I'm going to drizzle just a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. I have kept the flame on medium and now let's spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will pour a ladle full of the batter and we'll spread it evenly depending on the thickness of the pancake we want to keep. I'll now sprinkle few roasted flax seeds on top, and now we will cover and let this cook on low to medium flame for about a minute. After about a minute we will check the pancake, and once this side dries out we will flip it and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. And by now the pancake is well cooked from both the sides. So I'm going to take this out and in the same way I'm going to prepare some more pancakes. So friends, with simple ingredients you can prepare these nutritious pancakes that are light, savory and satisfying. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. And there you have it, perfectly cooked and delicious keto zucchini pancakes that are super easy to make. And now let's serve them hot right away. And here are our keto zucchini pancakes that are low carb, gluten free and incredibly delicious. So friends, I hope you will try this zucchini pancake recipe along with this healthy yogurt dip. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks and you can check out my other healthy low carb keto friendly recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.